What's the difference between marble and granite, and what are the pros and cons of each material?
So currently on the market, there is quartz composite, which is man-made. That's the hardest one. This is in man-made. Then in natural, you have quartzite, granite, and then marble, then limestone. So quartzite is the natural quartz, the hardest of all. Even when we're cutting it here with water and diamond wheel, it's sparking. So that we use a lot for worktops and sometimes even for bathrooms. Granite is more granular, it's very hard, less used nowadays. At one time it's all we used. Marbles come and go, they come and go in colors, they're always there. Porcelain comes in, porcelain looks amazing, just like the real thing. That's the difference between them. Now, hard for worktops, marble is the softest to use. Otherwise, go for a natural quartzite, which are beautiful and top hard wearing, or quartz composite, and very serviceable.
In terms of the granite and marble, there's always this thing about the grain matching. So the worktop kind of almost seamlessly turns into another surface, and you
can do it. Depends. Then you will depends on the material, how you're gonna do it. On worktops, yes, we would miter and turn the miter down. Sometimes we shape things, make shapes out of it to make it look as a solid lump of marble.
Yeah.
So when we choose a material, then we see how best to cut it and how best to shape it.
From approval of the actual kind of template drawings to the delivery, what sort of lead time do we currently have on marbles and granites?
Generally, to manufacture about 4 weeks.
Okay.
Station on sale about 2 weeks. Depends how busy we are, depends how complicated the job is.
Correct.
When we have projects, we took 6 weeks to produce. The bathroom floor, we have a vanity top, system top. You would then have a shower enclosure, 3 walls of the shower, where they have a niche in it built in, which is quite nice also. You can also include lighting in there. So that probably 3 weeks to produce.
What would you say the current trend is for the kitchens and bathrooms?
Quartzite because of the price and serviceability, number one.
Okay.
If you wanted something, so you want very serviceable, quartzite is your best choice for worktops. If you want something which also has the appearance and the wow factor, then I would go natural. I would go for quartzite as opposed to quartz composite.
Yeah.
You go for quartzite, which is a natural. My brother has it in his kitchen, I have it in my kitchen now. If I wanted more of a show kitchen, I had it in my last one, is marble.
Right.
Because then I can show the vein, I can use the color,
Yes.
I have the choice.